All right, today going over this trunk. About to clear this trunk out, re-insulate it. Heat shield, sound deadener, some cheap stuff from Amazon. Then I could redo my trunk enclosure. I don't know if I'm gonna change this. I'm definitely going with some smaller subs or a smaller box from that the two L7s, and then I'm putting those somewhere else because they blue anyways, not like blown, but the color blue. Go with something that got like a, either white, orange, or red, I guess. Burgundy, something to match with like the stripes on the side. So yeah, let's clear this trunk out. Also got some more stuff to hold the batteries down. I got some more stuff for the batteries, as far as connections and stuff. So more terminals, fuse blocks. Quick connection stuff too. This too. See that? I'll bring the camera over here. Get that part. This is the sound deadener. Cheap stuff. Amazon got 2 rows of it. Some wiring and stuff too. So yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna be reusing this. It's not ripped or nothing, just need cleaned. This is a trunk. I don't really think I need to wire wheel it or anything. No rust, just really dust. But I am gonna spray it, clean it up good. Lay it down. I'm gonna work around my wires. Okay, see, all I had to do was just wipe it down. It was just dusty. That was really it. Next, now shoot, I'm gonna spray it real quick, get a little coat of black on there before laying it down. And I'm gonna get my front popper working. Coats of black. No rust holes, no pinholes. So yeah, I'm gonna let this dry a second, and then we're gonna get to cutting out our material to put down. Yeah, I'll cut y'all back on. All right, back dry. The blade. I need to take the tip off of this. I'm gonna go this way. All right, finished product. I ain't really care how neat it was. It's getting covered anyways. Yeah, I'll worry about that back there later. Wrapped in tin foil. Some cool stuff. Started taking the interior out so I get ready to do underneath the carpet. So that's next. Got this. What's next for this is putting the batteries back in. I think I might. Let's see. Might have to do that. But I don't know. We'll figure something out. But yeah, I'll run my grounds back, all my wires back. Oh shoot. I can rewrap that. Got the leather right there to match the interior. So I can put that on there. It goes in there like that. And this darker leather that matches that. Go in here. This all scratched up and shit now. But I'm trying to make some panels or something where the subs can, the amps can go like over here, back here, something. But that's the box that I'm thinking about going with. It all depends. Tape measure out. This box. This for 312. I don't really know if I'm gonna use it though. 38 and a half. 39. Let's see. Where we put this? Oh shoot. So, preview. All right, so thought this box would have been able to fit back there. I mean, it's just a tad bit too tall. So I'm probably going to end up making a box to fit back there. Still the same length. So this box stick out 18 inches, 18 and a quarter. So right here, all the way back, that's 18 and a quarter. So the box not gonna stick out that far. I'd rather have trunk space than have this big old box. So that'll be cool. Amps probably get mounted on the side or just hid somewhere, because unless I get some matching amps. But yeah, that's about it. That's it for this video. So next video, we're gonna be doing the interior and sound deadener. I went through one roll just for this trunk, so hopefully I don't gotta go through another roll. I mean, I'm probably gonna have to order another roll, because I do want to wrap the doors in heat shield. So yeah, floor pan shouldn't take up that much really. I might have enough for the doors. I don't know. But yeah, that's it for this video. Until next time.